Moin, moin. I'm in Serbia. More specifically, in Belgrad. Check it out. Check it out. In this video, I want to go to a church, but before I go there, like the second biggest church in the world, if you consider the area on which this church was built. But before we go there, we will check out a fortress. The fortress. Right now, the weather looks beautiful, but my weather app, it said that today there's gonna be rain. It doesn't look like it. Let's hope. Let's hope. So far, the Serbians are so nice. They are so nice. I talked to one guy and I didn't know where a motel was. And I asked him where this place is, and he told me, he not only told me, but he showed me the way. He took me and he showed me the way where my hotel was. And he was so friendly. This was my first encounter with Serbians. Great. In Albania it was a little bit different. People were still nice, but compared to here, oh my god. Oh my god, people are so friendly. Right now, I have to say, wow. Wow. Serbians, very nice people. Very nice people. Do you know the name of this river? Do you know it? Which river flows through Belgrad? Which one is it? Can you tell me, guys? Which one? It's the Donau. It's the Donau. Very big river, actually. Very big river. When I left Germany, it was actually snowing. It was so cold that it was snowing. I wanted to wear a little thinner jacket, but then I decided that I should wear this one because it was actually snowing, as I said. And now here, dude, it's so warm. It's so warm. It should be getting colder in the next days, but today, dude, wrong decision. Wrong decision. Traveling is so hard, you know. It's so hard. You have to make so hard decisions. It's just awful. It's awful. Moin, moin. The beach promenade is actually very nice here. Look at it. It looks beautiful. It looks very beautiful. And it goes all the way back right there. Like all the way there's a promenade with restaurants and everything. Looks very, very nice. I think you can actually go with a boat somewhere there. You can check into a boat and then drive somewhere, like internationally. It's nice. It's nice. Over there you have the new city. Here is the old. I checked it out too, but it's actually not that interesting. It's mainly just office buildings and stuff. It's not my cup of tea. I like the old city. I will stay here. I think the fortress is called Kalemegdan. Kalemegdan. You can already see it there. It's huge. It's really, really, really huge. And it goes back like hundreds of years. The Turks were here, and then the Serbians, they fought and they got it back from the Turks. Let's check it out. It already looks very, very nice. I'm getting hungry a little bit. I have to eat and drink something. Whew, I hope there is something upstairs, like a little imbiss or something where we can buy stuff. I guess there is. I guess there is. Check it out. That's nice. That's really nice. Here's a little overview. Where are we? Where are we? I don't know. When I came here, I drove from the airport to the main center here of the city. And when we drove through the new city, because from the airport you have to go through the new city and then over the Donau and then you are in the old city, I recognized one building. I don't know if you guys know this building. It's right there. I don't know if you know this dude I'm referring to. Do you know Shai? This crazy train surfing dude? In one of his videos I saw him climbing this building, and it's right there. It's actually right there. Look at this muscular dude up there with a perfect body. It's almost as muscular as me. Almost. What is this? Is this supposed to be a staircase here? I don't know. Am I allowed to go up here? I don't know. I just do it. Okay, I have to find something to drink. And a little bit to eat. I didn't have anything to eat today. I'm thirsty and I'm hungry. I didn't have breakfast. I always like this here, Serbian flag. You see the Serbian flag everywhere. I like it so much in other countries, you know. I saw it in Bosnia, I saw it in Albania. I see it here. People are very, very proud. People are very proud. They are connected to their country, to their culture. In my country, in Germany, if you do this, if you hang your flag outside of your building or anywhere, then you're a Nazi. You're a freaking Nazi. It's very much frowned upon. Very much frowned upon. I don't like it. This is why, can you see it? I don't know. I wear the German flag on my backpack. Because I am a German. I am German. I don't look like it, but I am a German. And I think the Germans should be more proud of their country. Like any other country as well. If you, as I said, go to Bosnia, go to Albania, or like if you go to Spain, people are proud. But in Germany, the media and the government, they are telling you that if you do this, you're a bad guy. You're a Nazi. You're far right. Blah, blah, blah. All this shit. It's ridiculous. It's just ridiculous. And yeah, as I said, I love it. Serbian flag. And I saw it all over the place here. Serbian flag. I like it. Okay, it looks too tempting. I have to go upstairs here. I think the clock is actually working. Look there! Another Serbian flag. What do we have here? Okay. Okay. I guess at one point this place here was also like a wall on which you can go, but somehow it got destroyed. But look at this. This place here is actually a museum. You can already see there are like weapons, war weapons. You can check it out, and I guess, look, there's even more if you can see it. And I guess there should be even tanks. I saw online that there are tanks, I guess. So let's find them. And then we take one, and then we invade Serbia. Yes, we do. Look at that door. Look at that door. How big it is. Dude, there they are. Tanks. Holy shit. Hi. Hi, are you friendly? Oh, no, you're not. You are frightened. Okay, I will leave you alone. Don't worry. Okay, this. It's Panzerkampfwagen. It's a German word. It's actually a German word. So I guess that this tank here is German. It's German. And this here too, Schützenpanzerwagen, is also a German word. So I guess, but is this German? I never saw a German tank looking like that. I'm not sure, but it has a German name. So I guess it's German. This one does not have a German name. Caro Veloce sounds Italian. I don't know. I guess not. So the Germans have been here too. Where haven't we been? Here it says USA light tank. Check this out. Check it out. Another German. Holy shit, look at that. This looks like probably a deep sea grenade. German underwater. Dude! Everything German here. I've seen enough war weapons here. It's too much for me. Too many German war weapons here. Here you can see an antique basketball court. Back then they didn't have enough money, so they couldn't afford the basketball hoop, but they could afford the court. So they played just with the ball and without the hoop. So I don't know why there is a dinosaur park here, but okay, why not? Why not? want to have sparkling water. Sparkling. Is that sparkling? No. I will ask. I'm sorry. Do you have sparkling water?
Yes, yes.
Which one?
Yes. See, sparkling.
Which one?
No.
Here? Here. Here? That one? No. That one? Yes? Doesn't look like sparkling, but okay. Perfect. I take this one.
Yes.
How much do I owe you? Upsala?
120.
120.
Yes. 20.
Yes.
Give me.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day, my friend. Okay, he wasn't so nice. Look at that. BVB, German. Nice. Hello. How are you? Life is hard in Serbia? Or is it good? Life is good? Nice. Good. Let us buy something from this lady. It's not plastic. How much?
300 dinar.
300? What price can you give me if I take two? Can you give me a cheaper price for two? I take two. With this one, and do we have something? I love Serbia.
Imaš ovako, imaš znači...
This is also a Serbian flag?
To
Yes,
ne,
also
to je
Serbian.
Jugoslavija. To
A, Jugoslavia.
Ex-republik.
This is Yugoslavia. That's plastic.
Još nešto. Imaš ovako...
Yeah, I take, how much for this?
Ovo ti je, a ne bude 500.
500, alright, 500. So, Serbia or Yugoslavia? Serbia or Yugoslavia?
Yes.
Serbia better. Serbia.
Ne, Jugoslavia.
Yugoslavia better?
Jugoslavia, ovako, Serbia.
Really? Serbia not, but Yugoslavia are great.
Yeah.
Really? Thank you so much.
Bye.
Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.
Hey, water.
Oh yeah, my water. I almost forgot.
Drink.
Yes, thank you so much. Bye. To get a prepaid card here in Serbia is so easy, you know. You just have to buy a card, you put it in your phone, you do one call, and that's it. But you don't have to do the call yourself. You just, like when you are at the store, the lady does the call for you, that's it. It's like 5 minutes. In Germany it's so hard, you know. You have to buy a card, and then you have to get registered, and then you have to do this face call with some dude to verify that you are the person on the passport, blah blah blah. Dude, it's, yeah. They like to control you in Germany, you know, but here, so easy. I liked it so much. Okay, so now, it's not far. I just have to go to the circle here and then, oh wait, okay, little bit further. It shouldn't be far. Nice. Check this out. I think it's the second biggest church in the world. I'm not entirely sure, but I read that it's like at least one of the biggest churches in the world. Look at this. I don't know what that is here. This looks not so cool. It doesn't fit into this place here, but the church, oh my god. This looks great. I don't know if I'm allowed to film inside, but I think I will just try to hide my camera. Okay, does it say something here? The Cathedral of San Sava is largest Orthodox cathedral in the Balkans and one of the most important cathedrals in the world. It was completed in 1989. The cathedral was not officially opened until 2004, so it's actually very new. It's not that old. It's not that old. Check it out. How cool is that? How cool is that? Check it out. Check it out. I love churches, man. I really love churches. If you look up and go inside, you get a little dizzy actually, because it's, I don't know, so big. So cool. So cool. Dude, I almost fell. Fuck. Dude, I wonder if it's gold. I actually wonder if it's gold, but I think it would be too much, right? Imagine this whole church with gold. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so, right? Or is it? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It would be expensive, that's for sure. Wow, it's really amazing. Okay, what's down there? Can you go down there? I guess you can. So you can buy some souvenirs here. Check this out. Check this out. Why can you buy something like this in a church? I mean, this, okay, but this? I don't know. 8,000 dinar? 8,000 dinar, dude. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. I have enough.